What up, y'all? What up? Quick video. I'm having issues with my phone connected to the Bluetooth. I already reset my phone, recording from my phone right now. So, I'm in the Durango. I'm having the issue with the Uconnect Bluetooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the power button, and I'm also hold the these two buttons right here, your browse button over there. I'm gonna hold it to reset the radio. See if I can get it connect again. So I'm holding the button down now. Hopefully I get it reset. All right, looks like it's resetting now. I'm gonna hold it till it come back up. I had this issue one time before when I first got the vehicle. I could not connect my phone to it. Couldn't pair my phone or anything. So I tried this little trick and it actually worked. So I'm gonna let that go. Forgot I had the car. I'm gonna let the radio start itself back up. If the video cut, that means my phone connected to it, so. All right. Let's go here. The hands-free loading. All right, my phone connected. It connected to the radio. Cool. So that trick actually worked. So right, so that cut in the video was my phone connected to the car. As you can see, it's connected to my iPhone. But yep. So I'm gonna go into this store. I hope this helped y'all. I mean, if y'all got the car in the off position, try it like that in the off position, and let it do the trick I showed you. Hopefully it works out for you. But I'll see y'all on another one. Peace out.